Stores open to the public, but can you walk into them anytime they are open? Well, that takes us to this week's case. It involves a real woman, Joanna Cassimore. Joanna Cassimore was there in New Jersey, and she was picked up by store security in Walmart, having placed upon her person about $78 worth of vitamins. Looked like she was shoplifting. She was prosecuted for shoplifting, and then when she appeared before the judge, the prosecutor pulled out a document that she had signed previously. And in the document, she had agreed that she would never enter a Walmart store again. Never enter a Walmart store again, at least within that county. And we don't know the exact reason she entered the agreement. It looks like she had previously been prosecuted or was eligible for prosecution by Walmart, that they chose not to prosecute her and instead presented her with this document that she signed. So the prosecutor then presented this agreement to the judge and asked him to enter a restraining order in addition to any punishment that was appropriate if she were convicted. Well, she was convicted. She was fined $258, had to do 10 days of community service. But in addition, the judge considered whether or not she should be barred under a restraining order from entering any Walmarts. She argued, no, I can't be barred because that agreement is something entirely separate and distinct, and you don't have any proof as to how it was entered, and you don't have any reason to enforce that agreement. On the other side of the coin, the prosecutors argued, wait a second, this is obviously her signature. This is an agreement that we have testimony was entered on her behalf by her with Walmart, and judge, we ask that you enter the restraining order. Well, the judge considered these two arguments and entered the restraining order, preventing her from going into any Walmart anywhere in the county. Well, she wasn't a happy camper, but that's what the decision was, and that's what the judgment provided. So what do we learn from this case? Well, we learn a couple of things from this case, important. One, you can give up your liberty in any kind of an agreement that you enter. That's a civil agreement. It's between you and the person you enter. In this case, it was between the woman and Walmart. She agreed to give up her rights. She later broke that when she went into a Walmart and began trying to steal some vitamins. And the point is that you can give up those kind of liberties, especially when you're dealing with private individuals. And in this instance, what did we see? We saw that a criminal court can impose a punishment in the form of a restraining order, preventing somebody from entering a store. Now, one of the reasons the judge entered that restraining order was because she had previously made that agreement with Walmart, and in many ways, he was just enforcing that agreement. Okay, we bring you this case as we bring cases every week so you understand how the law works. I'm David Allen.